trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. Before we get into some things, I need you to go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the button, turn on the notifications, and become a trendsetter for real, for real. I know half of you watching this video already subscribed. Thank you so much to y'all. And yeah, so let's get into the meat of this video. Rima and Company. Find her, follow her. She's a beautiful girl in my public speaking class, and she told me about this whole situation or whatever. So I decided to go ahead and do a haul for you guys. So here in this big old bag is $288 worth of Fashion Nova merch, baby, which is very depending on, you know, your family background and everything, a lot to spend for a college student and a part-time worker. But a beautiful thing called QuadPay allows me to do it in 4 payments, okay, baby, which is a lot more obtainable for your girl, your gizzy. So I'm hot, I'm sweating. This ring light is bringing out the best of my sweat. But anyhow, so this is basically like an unboxing and a try on. I'm so excited. I never did this before. So I'm going to have another video with me doing this with Shein.com's clothes. I spent about like $200 with them too, but that's on the next video, and y'all will hear all about that. But let's open up this here bag and see what we got. Ooh, baby. So it'll work out. Jeans, denim. I love these jeans. I love these jeans. These here is boyfriend jeans, okay? Boyfriend jeans. I am a size 10-12, but I ordered a size 13 because I know Fashion Nova plays sometimes. So we're going to see if they played with me again or not. But I love a good boyfriend jean. I feel like you can play it up with blouses or graphic tees. So hopefully those fit. Next. The other pair of jeans I got, and I've been looking for them, and I was thinking about making them my own and stuff, but I wasn't willing to mess up any jeans of mine. So these are ultra destroyed denim. Super destroyed, as in, like, I don't think these will last me very long. Because you know how, like, you get it and they real cute, and then they start being gaping holes that your foot just fumbles into. But yeah, they got the butt slits. Okay? Can't wait to try these ones. Yeah, I can see through these. Hey, y'all. Okay, a little worried about these, but we'll see how they look on. Moving on. Okay, and this is just I probably won't try on this dress because there's nothing really to it. It's just long sleeve t-shirt dress. So yeah, this is really cute. Don't expect to see me try on this because I am so afraid of white clothes. When I try this on, that's gonna be that on it. I'm actually wearing that motherfucker out. Okay, so next, what is this? You know how you forget what you be ordering? What is this? Ooh. Oh, okay. This is from the Kylie collection. This is the one piece. It's a black one piece. We'll see how this looks on. I'm actually really excited because I bought a few pairs of like platform sneakers from Shein. So I plan on putting those things together. Oh, and this is the stormy weather dress from Kylie's collection. Now, I don't even bangs with Kylie like that, but I was really, her clothes like spoke to me. Look how cute this is. I cannot wait to try this on for you guys. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Like really cute. Like with my middle part of my 22 inches. There, okay. Okay, so then I got another thing from Kylie's collection. Fuzz What You Want. One shoulder sweater. Oh, this is really cute. This is like really cute. Oh my gosh. This is really cute and thick fabric. Like not none of that loosey goosey thin bin mess. Okay. There's that. Heidi, you're so cute. It looks poorly made. First of all, what size did I order? Because this one is definitely floppy. This is a large. Okay, I guess it's supposed to be slouchy. But look at this pocket. Like, why is that like that? That makes it look cheap. I don't know about this. And this, honey, this is not what the picture looked like either. Oh. Fashion Nova. We'll see how that looks on, but I'm kind of disappointed by it. Like, it doesn't look like the picture. It looks dumb. It looks stupid. You know, I don't plays with the money now. So, matter of fact, I don't think that's even, okay. We gonna see. And then, over it, shout out to Summer Walker. I got this dress. It's gonna make my butt look fit. Yes. I can't wait to show you guys how that looks on me. And then, we still got more. Sheesh. Okay. 2 more. Oh, this is that dress that I plan on wearing for Valentine's Day. It's very cute. Whoa. Okay. So, wait, what size is this? My goodness. Oh, snap. So, this is one of the cases where I sized up and I did not need to because this drawing looks very big and I'm worried. But it's super cute. And one more thing, and we're going to try all this stuff on. I just got out the shower and between this hot ass ring light, that light, my key light, and everything else, I am hot. Plus, my family light. Oh, just know that it's 80 degrees in my house on a regular day. And the knees are some jog. Oh. Some jog. Oh. Ow! Did y'all see that? Ow. Yes, these are some wide leg joggers. This is like a really big. I've never seen. I don't even think these are joggers. They end like a sweatpants. Joggers are supposed to be tapered at the ankle. And honestly, I bought this to go with this. But I'll try it on and let you guys know how it goes. But those 2 things are definitely on my I don't really like you list. But alright, so I'm gonna try these things on and show you how it goes. apprehensions. I had some skepticism because Fashion Nova has played me in the past. But honestly, honey child, honey baby, I am really happy about everything I bought. I really feel like I'm gonna be a little baddie with a little chip on my shoulder with these outfits on, with my like full face and the shoes. So if anything, I would just make sure that you read the comments, because people will tell you if it's true to size. The jeans, I'm glad I sized up because they were a size up and still a little snug. But other than that, I'm just like really satisfied. And nothing, I'm not gonna return anything or anything like that. So I'm really curious as to which pieces you guys liked and which ones you would buy for yourself. So if you saw something really cute, it's in the bio and you'll be able to find it for yourself. Okay, and maybe we can be twinsies one day, huh? Trendsetter twinsies, TT. But last but not least, please subscribe right now, because I know some of you didn't listen in the beginning of the video. And after you subscribe, like the video, comment, and maybe even tell your friends about it, you know, because I'm trying so hard to get somewhere with my life. Okay, well, trendsetters, I love you. Trendy out.